Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a review of this potato seed in Grow a Garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before we check the base value of this potato, I'm going to show you how we can get the potato seed. If you want to get the potato seed, you need to unlock tier 2 on the seed shop. Okay, and you can buy the potato seed here with the garden coins, and if I'm not mistaken, it costs 3 garden coins. And then of course you need to ascend your garden. If you want to get the garden coins, you can go to the garden ascension shop, and then you can click on I want to ascend, and you need to have at least 1 trillion shekels to ascend. And it also need required plants. And for your information, this is my third ascension, so I need 5 trillion shekels. And after that, you will get 10 garden coins, and you can use it to buy the potato seed. And then I'm going to show you how the potato looks like. So this is the potato, guys, and it's a multi-harvest crop, so you can harvest it multiple times. And then I'm going to go to the sell shop, and I'm going to check how much this is worth. Okay, and this is the base value, and yeah, it's so good. And the base value is around 160k shekels, and of course it will be higher after the mutation. Okay, and if you have a lot of shekels, I recommend you to ascend your garden and buy this potato seed. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.